Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday and Thursday's video. This is going to be a two-part video, I guess you could say. I did a little shopping. Okay, I know, don't kill me, but I couldn't resist it. And this is a 3-drawer mold set that I got, and it comes in, I guess, 4 or 5 pieces as a whole. Ignore these for now. So this is the base unit of the drawer set, and then you've also got the wooden pieces to build around it so that it's not doing what it's doing now, which is flopping out. And then you've got the 3 individual drawers as molds. And they also mold the handles. So that will be interesting to see about demolding that. So, the other things that I got, these I got off of AliExpress, these little stones. So I got, oh, they're not even going to say, but these are like beautiful blue crushed stones. And then I haven't opened this yet. This was a little grouping of crushed stones. So let's see, we've got silver, teal, a bright gold, medium gold, rose gold, and then a purple. I could see that some of the purple stones made their way into the gold, but that's okay. So we've got those, and then I'd been looking at these on Amazon, but they were so expensive. These were super cheap on AliExpress. I'll link the AliExpress links for you guys as well. If you know that site, then you know that stuff might not be there once you click on it. But these are called little bubbles, and they're just itty bitty beads. I think these were like $1 or something for all of these. They're very cute. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. But, so for the first part, I'm going to make the drawers. And then on Thursday, I'm going to make the body. And for the drawers today, I'm going to do black resin. And for the body, I'm not terribly sure if I want to do a color or if I wanted to add some of these little stone pieces to it. That will be a decision for future Megan, I think. I do kind of like the idea of doing like a blue body, but having maybe some of the silver and teal. Sorry, I just flipped you off. My apologies. And placing those stones in so that they fall to the bottom, right? So that once I pour the resin on top, the stones will be still front facing, if that makes sense. I don't know if any of this makes sense. But anyway, that's the plan for this week. I hope you guys enjoy watching these. Yeah, super simple. Not trying anything fancy here. I just really wanted to try out the mold set and see, you know, if it might be something that you guys might want to invest in. Oh, also, on Amazon, nobody knew how much resin these molds took. So, that will also be my job, is to figure that out. So, if you do get this set, well, that's great. Okay, it did adjust back. If you do get this set, I will have in the pinned comment the amounts of resin that I used for it. Okay, I just want to get this together real quick. Hopefully. I said hopefully. Okay. There we go. And then this just pops in there. Or it should. Yep. Okay. Now the only thing that I did notice was when I took these out of the bag, these little, the blocks were sticking together. So when I pour the resin, I'm going to be mindful to make sure that I, you know, pour an even amount down the centers as well. Okay. Alright, so like I said, for this video, excuse you, Matt. For this video, I'm going to start with just the drawers. And like I said, I'm going to do them in black. I'm almost wondering if I could just throw some stone into there. Should I try it for this video? Should I, you guys? I think I will. I just cleaned these off, and already there's cat hair on there. Those of you with cats or dogs probably know that struggle. The other thing, I know this is a long intro. I was going to start, but the other thing is that I noticed that this one has some scuff marks on the mold. I'm hoping that that doesn't transfer over to the finished piece, but we will see. How am I going to do this? I didn't think this. Do I ever think anything through? No. Okay. So if I kind of pop them in there and then set the mold back down, they're not falling out. You know, I think as long as I don't bump the mold or anything. You guys aren't going to be able to see it, but they're in there. Okay. Yep. Alright, so I'm going to finish doing that. Adding some of these little, I guess, blue stone or glass pieces. I'm not sure which they are. To the little handles. I'll mix up my resin, pour it in, and then we'll be back for the demolding. Alright? Alright, let's get started, yeah? It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. Been quite a while since I had one of these, so just poured me a little moon with some of the pink glitter that I had two or 3 weeks ago. But it is very pretty. I love it. I love it so much more than this one from a few months ago. This is really, really cute. I love it so much. And not a single bubble in the tip. Oh, perfection. Alright, hopefully the rest of the molds are as good as that when I demold them. And I've already demolded them, so spoiler alert. Okay. On to the rest of the video. Alright, friends. Good morning. Shall we see how bubble-ridden these are? Because I can tell you, this definitely has a huge bubble right here. And probably some smaller ones. Okay. Let's see how difficult these are to unmold first. Oh. Not difficult at all. Well, that was easy. Okay. So, yes. Lots of bubbles. Even though I sat here for like, I don't know, 45 minutes trying to get all the bubbles out. You can see the stones that I placed in there. Right here. But, yeah. Okay. So basically what I'm understanding is that I'm going to need to sit here for an hour and a half to get rid of bubbles, because look at that giant one. Good grief. Oh, and that's sharp because one of the stones is right here. Great. Wonderful. There's also a stone right there. You know, you try and try to teach your resin to do right by you. And it just says, no, Mom, I'll do what I want. Again, another little bubble right here. But these are the drawers. Pardon me, I just woke up. Also, you can see the scratches on the inside. So the mold came scratched up like that, so it's definitely going to have those marks, which is just wonderful. Can you sense my sarcasm? Alright. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of mad about this one. I might, when I pour the body, I might pour 3 more drawers just to see if I can't get 3 without huge obnoxious bubbles. I mean, that's unforgivable. So, yeah, I don't know. That's today's video. Stick around for Thursday's video where I pour the actual drawer holder mold. Yeah? And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, which I don't know how you would, but if you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new and you want to see how the body of the drawer unit comes out, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.